Hi everyone, it's Catherine here and welcome back. Today I'm going to show how you can make a jet black buttercream. Now this buttercream is not only super black and shiny, but it is also so delicious and it actually tastes like Oreos. It's really simple to make and you only need 5 ingredients. So to make this frosting you will need 500 grams of salted butter, 500 grams of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring or vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of Pro Gel black food coloring, and 1 cup of black cocoa powder. Okay, are you ready for my first hack and tip of the day? I hope that was a yes. So first, you're going to cut cold butter straight out of the fridge into very small pieces. Then put that into a bowl and start beating the butter until smooth and pale. You can either use a stand mixer or a handheld mixer. So can you guess why I'm using cold butter and not soft or room temperature butter? The answer is, making your frosting with cold butter will help to stabilize the frosting from the moment you make it. You will end up with a firmer frosting that will stay firm for longer, especially in warmer days. After the butter is creamy, soft and pale, you can add the powdered sugar in small portions to mix it in well. Always remember to scrape the bowl so that the powdered sugar dissolves and disappears into the butter. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and continue mixing. So now we're going to color the buttercream black. You will need 1 teaspoon of black Pro Gel food coloring. So add that straight into the frosting. Beat with the mixer and you will end up with a dark grey color. You could wait for it to develop overnight, but to achieve an instant super black buttercream, you can add the magic ingredient, which is 1 full cup of black cocoa powder. So add the black cocoa powder into the buttercream. Mix it in really well with a mixer. You will notice that the color will start to deepen and develop. And after about an hour or so, the black will be very black. And the day after, it will be jet black. So you can use this buttercream straight away, or you can store it at room temperature for 3 days and 5 days in the fridge. Black food coloring is known for tasting bad, staining, and most of the time not even coloring black and ending up with different shades of grey. I have tried many brands of food coloring over the years, so now I only use the ones that don't have a bitter taste and colour really well. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe tutorial, and if you have any concerns or questions about using any other colours, let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye!